You know, it's tough because, I love these guys. Good thing is, we got a lot of guys coming back. But, the tournament was great. I was able, and not just me, everybody else, be able to meet a lot of friends, on other teams. I think, they did a great job, with sanitizing everything, making sure the schedule was right. But most of all, I think, teams bonded in the hotel, and, I think that's big for the league. They really showed out. I know we missed a lot of players, a lot of older players. I wish they were here, to help us a little more. But, it gave the young guys opportunity, and, we were able to see, a lot of young guys play, see what they could do, especially Jaime. I actually didn't even know him before we got here, but now, I love him, and I hope that we have him next year. Yeah, I love the fans. I obviously I play to win. I play for my team, but the fans, they bring a certain vibe to the game, which I love personally. I thought it was going to be a little weird, but everybody's so competitive here, so I think it was fine. But I love the fans. I can't wait for them to come back. Positive is that I think we had a good season. We got the core back, which is great. I think we'll add a few more pieces, but I think we have a strong bond, and the fans are great. They support us, and we're really happy to go into next season. I think we would have went a lot further if the season didn't stop. I think we had a great momentum, but we're just going to come back and finish business from last year.